them. That's a very educational experience for your kids to be able to enjoy while visiting Animal Kingdom. So Nate, can you tell us a little bit about the program?
Yeah, so everybody gets a handbook just like this, and in the handbook it has a couple cool things. In the front you have a map of all the badges that you can earn throughout the park, all 29 badges.
Wow,
and
29.
Right now we are at headquarters. You don't have to earn all the badges today, or whenever you visit. You always can keep your book and come on another day and earn the badges that you haven't earned. And we do typically, right now we explore till 5 in the afternoon, but as it gets to later in the summer, it will go up to 7 o'clock in the afternoon.
Oh, wow, okay.
Yeah. So we are at headquarters, so we earn 2 badges here. So we earn the Wilderness Explorer Call badge, where we learn the Explorer Call. And then as you travel through the park, you're able to circle animals that you find and learn a cool fact about them that you can tell your family and friends at home. And then you come back here to headquarters later in the day and you earn your Animal Find badge.
That's amazing.
And here's this, we can put it in front of your book. So you are officially a Wilderness Explorer.
Perfect, thank you. Well, thank you so much for the information, and we're really looking forward to going through all the badges and learning all the amazing things here at Animal Kingdom. So thank you so much.
Definitely.
All right.
Now for all you explorers at home, try the Wilderness Explorer Call with a friend. Teach them the call and then share it with us by using the hashtag TPE Wilderness Explorer. Until next time, explorers, remember, an explorer is a friend to all, be it plants or fish or tiny mole.
The wilderness must be explored!